Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and cute card using the 2018 Stampin' Up! Sale-a-bration Party Pandas Stamp Set. You're going to fall in love with these adorable panda bears. Welcome! I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 16 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand-stamped smiles. Sale-a-bration, it is the most anticipated special of the year. Here's a closer view of the Sale-a-bration Party Panda Stamp Set. Didn't I tell you they were adorable? Look at those faces. And we'll be using this sweet little panda bear today on our quick and cute card. Now if you're new to Sale-a-bration, let me tell you, it is the best time of year next to Christmas. The Party Panda Stamp Set, well, it's an exclusive stamp set that you can get for free with your $50 or more product purchase January 3rd, 2018 through March 31st, 2018. And it's just one of the many selections you can pick from the Sale-a-bration catalog. Now it's January 1st, 2018, so I'm not allowed to open up and show you all of your choices, but there are quite a few that you can pick for free with a $50 or more purchase. And then new this year, well, Stampin' Up! Has added two fabulous products. One's a stamp set, one's a die set that you can pick for free with a $100 purchase. So best time of year ever. So let's go ahead and get stamping. And so what I have here is some Whisper White cardstock. And we're going to be doing a little bit of watercoloring. So I'm going to be using the permanent basic black Archival stamping pad. So the ink won't bleed, the black ink won't bleed when we touch water to it. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to push, flip, and lock that lid in place. And I have my stamping sleeves on, so I can just wipe my hand in case I got some ink on there so I don't get on my cardstock. So I have here Panda Bear. Let's ink him up, and let's turn it over, make sure we have great coverage everywhere. Oh, I'm liking that. And come over here. We're going to punch him out, so we need to leave some room for punching. Let's hold it down a little bit extra long because I really want him good and solid. Oh, isn't he adorable? All right, so let me pull on that, flip, and click, and you know you have it closed. We're going to be needing that again in just a bit, but first we're going to watercolor. Now I did this card in quite a few different colors, and I'll show you the others that I did at the end, but I decided to use Flirty Flamingo to color in the heart. And so we're going to push, flip, but this time we're going to leave it open. Okay, let me show you what I should have done. Here, let's leave it while it's closed. I'm going to watercolor with it, so I'm going to press down, and that's pushing the ink pad into the lid. Okay, so now when we push, flip, we're going to leave it open. Look, we have color in that lid, so we can pick it up with our aqua painter. Best coloring tool ever for watercoloring. So what we're going to do is we're going to squeeze, and I just squeeze on my stamping sleeves. I don't have to hunt down a paper towel or napkin anymore to wipe it off, the excess water. And in case we didn't get it clean in between, I'm going to just pick up a little bit of color and come over here and color in the heart. There we go. Easy, easy, easy. Now, when you're using your aqua painter, when you change colors, you need to squeeze and clean it off. Okay, so there we go. We're done with this. Let's put that away and flip. And so then I decided I wanted to just do a little bit of shading on him. So I'm going to use a Smoky Slate. So again, you could use your thumbs, but I have more strength in the palm of my hand. Push that. There we go. So let's just pick up a little bit of this and see we clean that so we're not getting any pink on there. We're just going to come along. Here we go, along this side. There we go. Just give him a little bit of color. So now we need to clean again. Like I said, my stamping sleeves, so convenient. I'll have a link under the video where you can learn more about ordering a pair for yourself. Okay, and Lemon Lime Twist. This is one of the 2017-2019 in colors. And here we go. Press on that, get a little bit of color. And so I thought I'd also do just a little bit of shading on the envelope. So we're going to come along this side. Here we go. Just make it a little bit more interesting instead of just solid black and white. So clean, and we are done. So whenever you use the aqua painter, you need to clean in between every color or you'll end up with all those colors in one pad. Not the look we're going for. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to punch him out with the 2 1/4 inch circle punch. So let's push that forward to open it up, slide it in. See, we can center him right in there. Isn't that great? I love that we can stamp and then punch, so we can center. Looking good. Oh, fantastic. All right, and so then on the card itself, I know I want to add a little banner. So I have some of the Lemon Lime Twist cardstock, and we're going to make a banner with the banner triple punch. So again, we're going to slide that open. And look, I cut this to 1 inch. And I'll have the link to my blog post with this card with all the measurements. So slide that in and punch. Look, now we have our banner. So now all we need to do is add all this to the card. We've got Flirty Flamingo cardstock for our card base, the same color we colored the heart, keeping everything coordinating and pleasing to the eye. Now, Flirty Flamingo, it's one of the 2016-2018 in colors and is slated to be retired this year. So in April, we'll most likely get the retiring list for the 2017-2018 Stampin' Up! Catalog and expect to see Flirty Flamingo along with the other 2016-2018 in colors on there. So what happens for those that already have the in colors, they want to stock up on the ink refills and cardstock. So they tend to sell out first. So go ahead and stock up, and during Sale-a-bration, that'll be a great time before they hit that retiring list. Okay, so here was the plan to take my banner and put my adorable panda right on there. And because this is my thank you card for all those who place their $25 or more Stampin' Up! Order with me in January 2018, I want to make this a thank you card. So I have this thanks. I really like the size and the font. And this is from the Thankful Thoughts stamp set. Fonts have personality, and this was cute like my panda bear. And then the sentiment to go with it, look at that. If you could see my face and look at the adorable face, you'd see the smile you put on it. Everything was just perfect about that. So let's bring back our Archival basic black Stampin' Pad, push flip. Okay, and let's ink this up. Give that a good inking, and with this just setting here, there we go. Stamp, and we're going to go straight up and down. Oh, perfect, just what I wanted. And so when I got done here, I'm looking at it thinking, boy, I wish I had something a little bit more. I love clean and simple cards, but for me, I just wanted something more down here, and I wanted something whimsical. And I thought, what? And I thought, oh, perfect. Look at this, the playful backgrounds, very whimsical. So we can create a background, and we're going to use this open circle one. So let me bring back my basic black Archival pad. We're going to move these out of our way. So here we go. We've got these great circles, and I love pink and black. Isn't that sharp? Okay, so now let's rotate it. We don't want them all going the same direction, so we'll rotate to fill in. Okay, let me come right here. Great. A little something here to fill in that corner. Oh, good, 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 good. And these are so nice and scattered. Just love these. Perfect. One more right in here. How about we do this? Turn that around, and it's going to fit in here oh so nicely. Great. So now we'll bring this back, and it's going to cover up where I went a little bit high there. Just perfect. And right there. Exactly what I wanted. All right, so now we're ready to adhere things. So I've got my Fast Fuse adhesive. Let's put our finger where the ridges are, and with a light touch, and do a little something to break it. This adhesive is so nice and strong. Really, really like it. All right, so let's just place that. We won't press yet. And let's see if that's where we want it. Oh, exactly where I want it. Okay, so now we'll press. And so instead of using the Fast Fuse to adhere that, because it'll just be flat, let's give it a lift with some Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, so these are foam adhesive dots. Boy, they sure add a lot to a project, and especially something that's, you know, quick and cute like this. It just really dresses it up, adding that dimension. All right, so we're going to use 4 of them. I'm going to press down with my thumbnail, and look how easy that makes the edges pop up, so we can peel those off. Okay, and you don't need long fingernails for it, but you do need to hang on to it to get that. All right, so here we go. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness. quick and cute. And I told you I was going to show you some other colors. Okay, so my first color I did Soft Sky with the lemon lime twist, and I really liked that. And then I thought, oh, I wonder if I would like it better if I switched the colors. I'm thinking, oh, Panda Bear, he's going to eat all those eucalyptus leaves. So I switched the colors. Aha! Now I was having a hard time deciding which one I liked better. But then I went back to my original idea. With the Soft Sky, I actually did this background in Soft Sky, but it was too light to even see. So I thought, because a tone on tone is one of my favorite looks. So then I decided to try the lemon lime twist with the tone on tone. Well, by now I had fallen in love with the black with all of these colors. So that one got nixed. I thought, no, I don't want that. And so I took these two to Christmas and showed my mom and sister-in-law. And I said, which one do you like better? And each one liked something better. Mom picked this one, my sister-in-law that. But my sister-in-law says, boy, I'm just really seeing that with pink. And I said, oh yeah, that's really what I meant to do, because someone could easily use this for a Valentine card. And so I tried Flirty Flamingo and Melon Mambo, because I love hot pink and black. So now I was like, okay, which one? And my eye kept going to this one. So you know what? I would love to hear which one you like best, but this is the one I chose, the Flirty Flamingo. And the Party Pandas, well, you'll be able to get that for free with your $50 product order placed starting January 3rd, 2018 in my online store. If you'd like to make my quick and cute Party Pandas card starting January 3rd, 2018 through March 31st, 2018 only, you can get the exclusive Party Pandas stamp set for free with your $50 product purchase in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. And the rest of the supplies to make my quick and cute Party Pandas card are listed under the video and also available to order in my online store. And when you place your $25 or more January 2018 Stampin' Up! Order with me, I'm going to send you one of my quick and cute Party Panda cards. I'm Shelly Godby, teaching you how to create hand stamped smiles. Thanks for watching.